everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not showing up on your Android phone. So just go to the top right, and you can see the Wi-Fi option on here. We can just go to it and hold down on it, and we can just turn this off. And then just give it a moment, and then turn it back on. So just doing a quick reset of your connection. Another thing that you can try is going to airplane mode, turning airplane mode on real quick, and then turning this off as well. Then go to the top right if it's still not fixed, and go to restart and completely restart your phone. Maybe there's some weird issue causing your Wi-Fi not to work, and a quick restart will fix that. Also, if you think it is related to some sort of network setting on your phone, go to the top right, go to settings, scroll on down, and on my phone it's under general management. Under your Android phone it might be under system. But let's go to general management right now, going down. There's an option to reset this. So we can go down and we can go to reset mobile network settings right here. So that's an option right here if your mobile network's not working. Then we have reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So we can go to this option right here. This will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This can't be undone. So when you reset this now, we can just tap reset. We can go back to the top right, and we can go to our Wi-Fi option right here. And then we're going to have to reconnect to the same Wi-Fi network. So let's go to settings, go to connections. Wi-Fi is turned on, we can tap it. Then we can reconnect. So I'm going to go to Scump. Let's go to Scump right here. And then I have to enter in my password. All right, my password's entered, and we should be able to just go on down to connect now. So I'm going to hit the check mark right here, and then go to connect. Just make sure you have the right password, otherwise it's not going to work. So let's go to connect now. And then we should be good to go. Looks like my network's on, I'm connected. Now if it's still not working, another thing you can look at is if we go to the top right and go to connections right here. We can go to Wi-Fi and tap it. We could try going to the top right, and we can go to advanced settings under here. And we can look at the different advanced settings, and we can try turning off some of this stuff under here. We can go to manage networks as well. And we can delete networks under here. And it's going to be similar to what we did when we reset the network. Once we delete it, we're going to have to reconnect it. So it's really up to you what you want to do, but look at the advanced options. There could be some sort of settings in there as well that could be helping you out. We got mobile hotspot and tethering. Make sure we have our mobile hotspot turned off. Maybe have some sort of VPN on as well. Just turn that stuff off as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.